Good morning, Dr. Manish and Dr. Habibur Rahman, and good evening, Miss Sharman. I hope all participants are well and enjoying great health. Kindly just confirm me, are you hearing me? Thanks all participants. If you have any question about your previous class or you face any error, you can ask a question. And if you do practice anytime in a day or a night, when you face an error, you can send me a screenshot of your error so I can guide you accordingly. So if you don't have a questions, we move to our next class. Today our topic is use of or application of AI tools. Application of AI tools in R for data analysis. This tool is very important and very interesting. The use of artificial intelligence AI tools make it very easy and transparent. So today we will learn about AI tool, that is Chat GPT or Bing Chat. Sorry, if you are in China, maybe Chat GPT ban, but you can use Bing Chat. So my first question is, are you using Chat GPT? Yes or no? Please reply me this question. Are you using Chat GPT already or not? Yes. And one more question from Dr. Habibur Rahman. Have you created its ID or not? Or sometimes? Okay. So I think Dr. Habibur Rahman's is not using and have kindly confirm me, have you any idea about Chat GPT and have its account? Have you account? Doctor, no. Okay. So maximum participant have their account, but Dr. Habibur Rahman and some more participant, few participant are just watching our video our recording video and practice and doing practice. So I take a few minutes to perform this step. So Dr. Habibur Rahman and all other participants who are watching this video, they also perform this step. So the first step is to create a ChatGPT ID. Open Google Chrome. Dr. Habibur Rahman, the first step is open Google Chrome. Type here Chat GPT. Chat GPT have two versions. First is basic and second is premium. The basic is free, but if you want to get its pro or premium version, you will need to be pay. But I suggest you you can use free versions for educational purpose. So if you want to do a professional work, then you need a pro versions. Otherwise you will need just a basic without any charges, without any pay. It is a totally free. So get started. Press the button or link get started. After get started, you can see another page that is showing login and sign up. That is showing login and sign up. If you have an ID, you can click on login. So you don't have created any account, so you click on sign up. After this, you can get two options. One, you can type here your email ID, or another option is you can continue with Gmail ID. So I prefer continue with Gmail ID. Just click on this and select ID which you want to use. No, as I already have account on this, so he take me my chat GPT account. But when you sign up, I will go back, sign up. I am typing here different ID, so I type this ID here and continue. So he asking me create your account. First the question is create a password. I create a password randomly and click on continue. He is saying me the user already exists, so I have created a chat GPT account on this ID also. So when you don't worry, when you type here password and continue, the next step you will face is he asks about your mobile number, mobile phone, and when you give a mobile phone number here and click on next step, security code will be received. Just type security code here and press the next button. Your ID will be created. No, you can use this ID. No. So when your ID is created, you get this type of uh, face or window or page. Here is a how can I help you today, and here is a chat message. Here you can type any message which you need to chat with chat GPT. So I type here just hi. He reply me, hello, how can I assist you today? So I type here, can you help me in our studio? I have a question with ChatGPT. Can you help me? Our studio, for our studio. Of course, I can help you with our studio. What do you need assistance with? Are you looking for help with coding, understanding a specific function, data analysis, visualization, or something else? Please provide more detail so I can assist you effectively. So today our class is connection between ChatGPT and R. Now we move to R screen. Come here. We have learned please remember that as I already mentioned you what we learn in this course. We learn reading, writing, editing, and code generation, code generating. So we learned or get training about these four things, but these four things we apply on different type of analysis. We applies these four things on different type of analysis. Like in our first step, when we draw a plot, we use our writing and reading skill. Actually, R is a programming language, and each language like Chinese, Hindi, Urdu, Pashto, Arabic, French, English, each language have its grammar, and to learn this language you must need to its reading, writing, and if you need it to perform a professional level you must need to its editing. How to edit our this language or this paragraph in Chinese, in English, or in Hindi. If you don't know about Chinese, you can't edit anything in this paragraph. So it is not a complicated, just very simple. We to learn this R programming effectively, we must focus on reading, writing, editing, and code generating. So we first step plot we learned about writing and reading. Also in second step is correlation analysis. We also learned about reading and writing. Now today we are going to code generate. We edit at in last step. We learned editing in last step. So I cut it and paste in last step. So today we are going to learn about code generating. So one thing more for remember, or please note this comments. When you use I type here, when you use chat GPT for R you need str of your dataset. So when you apply ChatGPT, the first step is you need str of your dataset. And know what is str? Str mean str is another vocabulary word. Similarly, as like we are learning vocabulary words day by day. First day we learned hashtag, and then less than, and less than, minus, and many more other vocabulary words we have learned. Now our new vocabulary word is str. Str mean structure of dataset. Structure. Str mean structure of dataset. So it tells us which type of dataset is this. Like for example, I hope you have imported import dataset ficus. Please confirm me, have we import this file? If you don't have this file in global environment, please first import this file. Please first import this file in global environment, and then type done or okay or yes, I have imported. Please import ficus file in global environment and let me know. Dr. Habibur Rahman, have you created ChatGPT ID? Yes, thanks. I hope all participants have import ficus file. Now our task is so first define your today task. Like and today is Mr. Herman is absent, so we use the name Dr. Habibur Rahman. So assume that Dr. Habibur Rahman is a postdoctorate or research associate, and he is with his supervisor. His supervisor say that please draw a plot here, draw a box plot on ficus file. His first task. No, Dr. Habibur Rahman, open RStudio and get str. So for str just type str. And no, please all participant will doing practice with me. Type str. When you type str and press enter or click, and two parentheses will be open. Within parentheses or brackets type ficus and run this code. I think here is some str ficus. Sorry, here is a symbol, and these should be heading, otherwise delete them. If you write anything between headings and script, he considered, like I type here too, he considered a part of str, so these will be ignored. So if you type any word here, or delete them or give it a heading. So run the script, you get this type of table. Please do str and you get this type of table. Please confirm me, have you successfully get this table? Are facing any issue? Yes, thanks. No, just copy this script, copy this code, table with str. So copy this from here to here, copy and open chat, paste here. Now your str dataset is in ChatGPT chat. So just at start type a few words, tell ChatGPT or explain ChatGPT, I have this dataset, I need a box plot I am saying to ChatGPT, I have this dataset and I need a box plot. Please write script for this data set for R and run it. Just click the button arrow or press enter or send message. You will receive a script very quickly. First you get a message, certainly to create a box plot in R using your dataset ficus you can use the ggplot2. Here you can see that we also use ggplot2 and he also suggesting us use ggplot2 package, which is a powerful tool and flexible system for creating a graphs. First you will need to install and load ggplot2. It's again our previous point or comments that when you allot any task, the first question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used for this. Have you remembered this? When you given a task, the first question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used. So here ChatGPT first answer is that the package which will be used. So he suggests us a package ggplot2. If you have not already, then you can create a box plot. So he is saying for box plot you need a package name ggplot2. Let's say you want to create a box plot for petal width and across that species. In our previous case we draw a box plot between petal length and sepal length. Now he give a script as petal length, petal width and species. So if we copy this script, just here is a button, and at the end he also gave us instructions. This script will create a box plot where the x-axis represent the different species and y-axis show the distribution of the petal width. The color species part with the color box differently for each species, making it easier to distinguish between them. So just I copy this script and open R and paste it here. No, if I ask you, please read this script and translate it into your own words or own language, so it is very easy now for you. You know that install.packages mean we can install a package. Library mean we want to activate this package. ggplot mean here is a function. Ficus mean here is a file. Aesthetic mean we are going to adjust its aesthetic. We are going to define what should be in x-axis, what should be on y-axis, and here is a color mean you can type here col or color. And geom box mean type of graph. Labs mean here you can add titles. Labs mean here is a new word, labs mean labeling. So main title, x-axis, y-axis, and then again theme minimal. So it is a very easy script, and ChatGPT created within a second with accuracy. So we also have ggplot in our packages or in our lab. Dr. Habibur Rahman have sent me a plot. Good sir. So just library, we don't need install it again because we already have this package, so we delete this step or ignore it. Next step is ggplot2. You can see a box plot. By using or with the help of ChatGPT. So Dr. Habibur Rahman first task is completed. No, his supervisor said that this plot is only for petal width. He allowed a new task to Dr. Habibur Rahman and says please create a plot with species on x-axis and other variables, all variables on y-axis, and no draw bar plot. So new assignment, new task, new requirement. So here is a new need. In our previous case, first task, we just draw a plot between one variable and between species. Now if we want to draw all variables on y-axis and species on x-axis, what we do now? So take its str again. One thing, remember that similarly as when we allot a task are given us a task, the first question should be arise in our mind: which package should be used? Which package will be used? So similarly, when you are using ChatGPT, the first step you need to perform is str of your dataset. So type str, select here first option str with units, type here file name ficus. What str tell us? If you focus on this table, str tell us about structure of our data set. He tell us about 150 multiplied by 5. He is saying 150 is observation and 5s are variable, 5s are column and 150 are rows. And here is another important thing is number num, 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 num and chr. In our previous class, when we draw a core plot, we need this step. We observed it. This is a number, and last one is a character. So for correlation plot, we must only need numbers data. We don't need character data. So we remove this part of our table, like when we draw a -5 to remove column number 5 from our data set. So this structure tells us about our data set, its structures, its grammar, its graphics, everything about in data set. So copy this step. So one thing is more important here about arrangement of data set. The most frequently asked question: sir, how we know that how to arrange our data set while using a specific analysis? Like we have arranged ficus data set like this. We are going to simple analysis like we draw a plot, but when we need to draw a plot between species and all variables, you need to some data arrangement. Here are two types of the data arrangement. One is wide form and second is long form. So for all variables you need long form. This is a wide form data set. This data set is known as a wide form data set, while long form, I show you a long form. Please wait, when long form data we will get, I show you long form data set. So copy this str data, open ChatGPT, first say it's thanks, it's working, no I need, please type here, no I need bar plot with species variable on x-axis and all other variables. Also give the list of all other variable if possible. So it will be helpful for ChatGPT to understand what we are saying. Just copy this variable's name, paste them here, petal width, petal length, comma, petal length, sepal width, sepal length, and bracket close, and type here is data set. Please write script for this, for it, and type paste here, sorry, copy again it, copy and paste it here. You get a script within a few minutes, and when you get a script, you must read these instructions. To create a bar plot with the species variables on x-axis and average of the other variables, petal width, petal length, sepal length on the y-axis, you should first need to reshape your data into a long format, as I discussed earlier with you about long form and wide form. So you have seen wide form data set. No, we also will be seeing long form data set. You can use the tider. Here the function is used for tider package. Package tider is used for to convert the reshape data set. So when we reshape our data, we don't need it manually, like when we are using SPSS, we need manually to reshape our data set or transpose it in different forms or arrangement. We all do manually. So here don't need to do any change manually. You just write a script for this and your data will be rearranged. So after reshaping, you can then use ggplot2 to create the bar plot. Here is a script. Copy this script and also read the instruction below. Here it's showing that pivot longer is used to transform the data from wide to long format. He is showing the package tider have a function named pivot longer. It converts our data set into long format. Group by, it is used calculate mean, and ggplot used to draw plot. So command R, paste here, so we need here is a package, two packages, ggplot2 and tider. We already have ggplot2, so we don't need this. We just need to install tider. Click on tider. You can see tider package is installing. Maybe you will get a different code, something different, but don't worry, it give a different script, different code, no library, and convert it long format. So we get another file in global environment, that is long form. So click on long form. You can see this is a long form. First is species, measurements or values. You can use here measurements to treat just editing. So editing here is important. Here is a names too. Just type here traits, and you will get a different file. Now you can check here our traits is showing, but when you change here you need to change in other script, so we don't change them here. I type Control Y and run it again. So measurements will be shown on this. So editing is very important. After reading, writing and code generate, we need another step, that is editing. So run we have get ficus long form. Next click on plot. I could not find the function summarize, so I think here is a neat another package. Okay, when you facing error, function not found, function could not find function. Function mean we have not package for this, we have no package for this, so we need a package summarize. So copy this error, copy and paste it again with ChatGPT. Just paste, nothing to write anything, just copy error and paste here, and he will understand about error. Now he is suggesting another package name tidyverse, dplayer tider, so we need another package name tider. I just copy this script and run it at start below here, paste it and check all this. If you don't have tider or dplayer, first install these packages. I have this, sorry, tider, all these packages, so I need just library. If you don't have, you install them first. So just library, this library, we also already library tider, so we need dplayer and run this. So dplayer is activated. Now our code has run. Now ggplot, and you can see there is a bar plot with all 4 variables like this. Now have you complete this step? When Dr. Habibur Rahman complete this step and show to his supervisors, I have created a plot. His supervisor say that no please, thanks, no please draw its line plot or line and point plot. So Dr. Habibur Rahman come on chat GPT and type here just thanks, no, I need its point and line plot. Just run this. So ChatGPT get us a new script. Just copy the script. Before copying, you must read these instructions. To create a point and line plot in R using your ficus dataset, where species is on the x-axis and other variables are representing point and lines, you will first need to reshape before dataset. So you need to reshape your dataset. So open R and paste it here and run the script. Long, it converted our dataset into long format. It convert our summary or mean value. You can see in global environment here is a mean value of our dataset. So next is point, line and point plot. Now you can see it draw a point, line and point plot. No. No, again Dr. Habibur Rahman show his plot to his supervisors. No, his supervisor said that please find correlation also. Find its correlations. So today third task is also find its correlation and draw its core plot. So Mr. Habibur Rahman again come on R. No, he have already given str his ficus dataset, so you don't need to give an str again and again. Just give one time, and when he pick your dataset and gives you a accurate script, you don't need to give it your str again and again. You just give its instruction no. Again we say thanks. No, please, I need correlation analysis. Please write script for correlation plot and run this. I hope today class is very interesting and very amazing, and you will get a lot of script without any effort, without any writing and reading script with accuracy. Just you need core plot. This also giving me a similar script, similar codes which we have performed by typing or writing. So just copy this script, paste here. You need to install core plot. I think we have already a core plot in our lab, in our RStudio lab, in our RStudio. So we just need to library. So libraries are activated. Now copy script, this script, and now run this data set. After completion this step, you get a correlation plot. You can see similarly as we draw by writing and reading a script. That's amazing. We don't need to write any script, but we need to learn reading, writing. Without reading, writing, editing, we don't generate correct code. That's right. Now Dr. Habibur Rahman also show his script with his supervisor to his supervisors. His supervisor says, great, you have done. No. Your today assignment. Please note this. Sorry, actually. My throat get infections, so very sorry for inconveniences. So today your assignment task is use, please note this task, use chat GPT with R and draw dendrogram, heat map, chord diagram, and PCA. You just need same step. For example, first, second, third, and fourth. So it will take 10 or 20 minutes, and you can get these 4 analysis within 20 minutes or maximum 30 minutes. Like I perform you show you like this. So we have get this script. Now we say thanks. I say to ChatGPT or write a message. Please, I need dendrogram on mean data of ficus, or run this, or just dendrogram on ficus. Sorry, I'll just type this, I need dendrogram. Now he write a script on ficus. You need, here is a different function or package hclust. Dr. Habibur Rahman, your second script, second line, correlation matrix is not working, so you need to rewrite this, regenerate this script, just copy this error and paste it in ChatGPT. He will give you a new script with accuracy. He gave me a script for dendrogram. I copy the script and paste it in R. Sorry, I open a new script and paste here. So install package stat. I already have stat packages, library, mean data, numeric data, hclust and plot. You get a dendrogram in very simple way. Like this. That's amazing. We get a code within a few minutes without reading, writing and editing with accuracy. So I hope you will get your task. So today your assignment is use ChatGPT and draw these 4 plots in different ways which have you ideas in your mind. Apply on ChatGPT and get a script. So today class is about application of ChatGPT and ChatGPT with R for data analysis. So I hope this will be very fruitful for you, and know you are feeling it's a very easy, it's a not difficult programming language. So R is a very easy and interesting language. So I hope you will get all these steps clear, and if you have any question you can ask please. So I am sending these tasks in group, so all participants who are not in live class can okay. So please also give comments or give your reviews about today class in WhatsApp group. So I also paste it in group and give your views about today class. It is a fruitful or difficult or helping or any other you can have in your mind. Okay. Now time is over, so we will meet in our next class tomorrow. Okay, thanks, goodbye. If you have any questions you can ask me in WhatsApp.